What is up, Dr. Grissom? I am here again with another awesome video, and today it's not just me. Right now we got ourselves 5 other viewers right now on Twitch. We are live streaming this currently. You can see some of the chat right there. They are all able to hear me and everything while I record this video, which is awesome. Here's our team progress slide for this sprint. As you can see, everything that we've all done as a team, and I'll quickly go over exactly what I've done. I've added all these custom markers for all the pickup games to the map screen. The custom markers are based off what sport is going on around that area in which they are searching. I assisted Mina in fixing some bugs with the profile avatar and the initials not showing up. I didn't quite help fix the bug entirely, but I believe she was able to get it. I also added the map view to the join pickup game screen, so that way you could see the map view. Still working on getting the markers to show by pulling the information from Firebase, as we were having some Firebase issues. And then fix some bugs with the registration screens as well. When trying to enter your username, we were having some issues with Firebase, and then I discovered after not too long of a time, it took about like an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, I was able to figure out that the read-write permissions in our Firebase console were messed up and they needed to be changed. And once I changed them, it all started working again. So I'm going to go into the GitHub. I'm actually going to go into this branch here. We're going to go to our app, screens. I haven't merged it quite with develop at this moment yet. Just because there's some merge conflicts that I'm going through, because I'm the one who goes through all the merge conflicts in our application. But so pretty much what I did is I now added in all the Firebase stuff to get all the collection of games that go along with the entirety of our app. I allowed a set icon area where we have a bunch of different flat images and flat icons, and they're called by getting all that information and taking the objects and placing them on there. That is the biggest thing I probably did for this sprint. The Firebase console is something else that I fixed. I'm not going to show that just because it was with permissions. And then, what was the other thing I was working on? Here is the join pickup game. This is also part of my branch. I actually don't think I pushed it up yet, but yeah, I added the map view, and it's in there. I need to do a quick get fetch, get pull, all that good stuff. Now I'm going to quickly show you here on my phone, now that I got the screen recording done. You can see here, this is the join pickup game app. This one's at Azusa Pacific University. It shows up the correct location on the map. It just doesn't have the pin quite there yet. So yeah, and then I hope to add that you could get directions from clicking on that pin too here in the future. I'm going to quickly show the register error. So when you were registering, you put in your first and last name. When you click next here and you start trying to put in a new username, when you click the next button, it wouldn't go past that, just because it was having a Firebase issue, and without it going through the Firebase stuff, it would not actually go all the way through. And then lastly, the piece de resistance is our icons based off which sport. We have a lot of games that are just dedicated right on the spot at APU, the basic APU spot, which is why it's kind of freaking out there. But just to kind of show, we have softball going on over here. It'll show their details a little bit there. We got a basketball game going on in the CVS parking lot. We got a baseball game going on at Raising Cane's. We got a basketball game going on in the middle of the parking lot of APU. Soccer game over kind of by Citrus College, near where the Dillon rec fields are. And then if I zoom out all the way on a larger scale, we can see that there's a tennis game all the way over here at Hermosa Park in Rancho Cucamonga. We got ourselves a volleyball game over here at Huntington Pier, and then we got ourselves just hitting in general. I don't know what exactly we're hitting, but we're hitting over there. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I did for the sprint. I'm going to stop recording there real quickly on the phone, and we're going to go switch over to our team Gantt chart. So here is our team Gantt chart. We have to do our finalizations. I'm going to quickly go over that. I'm going to try to work on knowing who's a premium member, alongside finishing up the map element for the join pickup game and getting the correct data from that. And I'm going to pretty much be touching up all the map stuff. I'll be working with Dallas on that. I'm actually going to quickly add that for me there. There we go. That was supposed to be there. And then we're going to quickly go through a lot of the other debugging and quality assurance to make sure everything is all finished and nice to go for our final sprint here as we lead up towards the end of the semester and we graduate. Now I will go into the actual timesheet for you, just so that way you could see. I didn't really work much the very first week of this last sprint. So yeah, this is from 4.4 to 4.10. I did work on stuff. Oh, no, that was sprint 6. Yeah, never mind. Ignore that. That's sprint 6. So this past week, I did work on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the markers and customization and fixing the authentication bug, which also led on to Sunday here. So I have 5 hours and 41 minutes on Sunday in total, and then I have 9 hours and 27 minutes from this last week. I know my viewers are kind of not really chatting too much right now because I think they see that I'm doing this recording for you, but I thought I'd spice it up a little bit and live stream it. I've been live streaming all of my coding endeavors this past week just because I thought it'd be fun to not only just share what I'm doing, but hopefully get some people interested in programming in general and maybe tell them what it's like a little bit, me being a senior and working on a senior capstone type project. I believe that's everything that I need to show you for the YouTube video. I hope you enjoy this, and if you would like to check me out on Twitch, my name is twitch.tv/DEEVEE14, so twitch.tv/DV14. Hope you're enjoying the rest of your evening, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, Dr. Grissom. Good night.